If you want to block spam calls on Xiaomi 17, first of all, we need to go to the phone app. Once you open the phone app, you want to make sure that you have the homepage selected. And we're gonna go to these three lines in the upper left corner and we can choose settings. Once we go to settings, in here we can find the caller ID and spam option. And we need to make sure that these two options are enabled, see caller and spam ID, and also filter spam calls. Besides that, you can notice that we have scam detection as well, which if available, you should be able to turn it on. However, it is not available for every country or every region, unfortunately. If possible, you can of course turn it on. If not, then we can just use whatever we have over here. Also, in addition to that, if you go to block numbers, you can find this unknown option, which is used to block numbers, private numbers. When someone calls you from a private number, then they will not be able to reach you and you will not be notified about it. Leave a like and subscribe.